Hey guys, wanna know how to join daily events in Asphalt 9 Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your Asphalt 9 application. And once you're there, on the bottom right here you can see various options like careers, multiplayers, and stops. So right here on the side you can also see something known as daily events. Just simply press on it. And now just simply select explore events right here. And now once you're there, just simply select enter. And after that is done, you just select race and choose your car and then select play. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Right here you also have tickets. So these are the limited time tickets. So you can only play a limited number of rounds in Asphalt 9 daily rewards or daily events. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.